What's up guys, it's your girl T Sweets and I'm back again with another video. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button, and if you're returning, I want to say thank you for rocking with me. So I've been watching a lot of natural looking 4C afros on YouTube and I wanted to achieve this hairstyle on my own. So stay tuned to see what hair I use, what technique I use, and all of that good stuff. This is just a disclaimer. I didn't realize until after I was editing this video that I cut one side too short, but that's not a big problem. You guys can still see how I applied the hair.
Girl, you got superpowers. Grew up like a lotus flower, yeah. And she walk around like she been dipped in honey.
So this is the hair I used. I purchased it from my local beauty supply store, but I will find a link for you guys and tag it below. So this is how I braided and sectioned off my hair. I am not the best braider, but where you guys see that my hair is twisted at the top and on the sides and the front is where I will leave out my hair. Before applying each piece of hair, I kind of separate it so that it's easier to comb it out in the end. So for those of you who don't know how to crochet, it's simple. Just put the crochet hook through, latch the hair into the hook, close the hook, pull the hair through, put both parts through the hole, and pull it. Now when you get closer to your leave out, you will do the invisible part method, which I will show you guys later. And when you get to the end of that braid, you want to make sure you get as close to your leave out as possible so it doesn't look like it has a gap in it. You can space the hair out if you don't want it to be as big, but you can always go back and fill in the spaces if you don't like it. Now the part of the braid that's closest to your leave out, you will push your crochet needle upward, attach the hair, pull it through, and the difference between the other, you will only put one piece of hair through the hole and pull it. That way your leave out looks more natural when you pull it over. Because this hair was a little bit longer than what I wanted, I started to cut it. Now, like I said in the beginning, I realized after I started watching this video that I cut one side too short, but that was an easy fix. Once you're done crocheting and cutting, just go ahead and take a pick and kind of pick the hair out. I've seen some people use brushes, but I feel like that wouldn't have been as effective as a pick with this type of hair. And the reason I use this hair is because the texture seemed to be softer than the other textures I checked out. I started to undo my twist at the top of my hair, and I picked that out as well as I began to blend my hair into the crocheted hair. Because this is 4C, I needed a little extra help, so I used Kids Smoothing Gel to really try to blend my hair in. I pinned down the front of my hair to give it more of an illusion that it was growing out of my scalp. I later applied a little bit of edge control, but not too much. And here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know what I could do to make this hairstyle better, and also let me know what hairstyles you guys would like for me to try.
And she walk around like she been dipped in honey. The sun must have kissed you with its lips.